Alright, hello. Welcome to a new week. And today we will be doing UI work. I hope you enjoyed the intro, which is the result of Friday's experiments. And yeah, kind of happy with it. For one day of work, I feel like it's not bad. And besides, yeah, I can improve it quite a lot still. But we have a game to make as well, so yeah. So today we go back to real work, kinda, and yeah, we've got a shit ton of stuff to do still. Let me close this. Okay, so today what I would like to do is this stuff actually. So we actually got this, and we don't have this. I want to add a few things like scale it properly. So this implies that I compute the extent of the real ship layout. Compute or find out the size we want to find out the size. Let's ensure that our UI display area maintains the ratio, the aspect ratio, plus aspect ratio. Ensure the UI display area maintains the aspect ratio, and UI scales the layout to the UI area, and replace text with small icons. I feel like that's maybe a different task. Not really, but it's, yeah. Make module icons, replace text with icons. Alright, so let's put this in progress. Are we done with this? Not really. The stat system, I would argue, is done. And like all this stuff doesn't really matter. Whatever. Where's my camera gone actually? You fucking kidding me? Like there's an ad? Oh god. I fucking swear, it turned off because of an ad in the app. Of course, it's a pain in the ass to like put it back because it's mounted on the thing, so it means I can't really see the screen. Anyways, um, yeah, we'll still have a bunch of shit to do in here. Yep. But what's good though, um, there's a lot of stuff in here, but I'll just say that. Yeah, now this one is going to be a long-running one, I guess. Still need to do them. I know some of them don't fully scale with their stats. Yeah. How the fuck am I gonna draw connections between slots? Yeah, that's another difficult one. I think today I'm gonna start with the scaling. I'll try to figure out. Or should I make sure that I have a way to draw the connections? Because I honestly, it's not clear that I do. Mm, yeah, maybe we'll start with the connections actually. So let me open the project. Let me get some water in the meantime. Right, we're in. Mm, 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 mm. This log is not that helpful anymore. Mm, yeah, it's here to help debug the random bug that we are doing, changing the layout stuff. Oh, yeah, maybe I should keep it. Because since this bugger happens randomly in the editor, I might need to I might need it to try to find out where it comes from, but honestly, I doubt that is going to be very helpful. What the fuck? Mm-hmm. Mm. Okay, okay. So here, here, here. Um, so how are we going to draw the connections? First, where is it that we create our UIs here? Mm-hmm. Mm, not so much how I can create something that's going to just show the connection. Let's get in game. Mm. Hmm. Yeah, so here it's really bad because it's not scaling um to fit the screen. That's the first problem. And the reason for that is that we are literally just what the fuck is this? Yes, no, these are the module choices, so that's not it. Where's the, no, it's this one actually. So this one, it's an update slot, and it creates a slot by instantiating the prefab, and then it just sets its position with a multiplier that is our spacing. So there's no there is no taking into account how much space we actually have in this in the screen or even in the UI. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. And the thing is, me rename this. Ship layout menu. Yeah, so this is the one. Why is it getting so large? That's not supposed to, right? Like, what the fuck is this? Is this should be set to this? It's supposed to be at 0. No? What? What the hell is going on? If this is parented to this, and this is am I god damn it. QWERTY keyboard. If this thing is like this and oh. Yeah, no, this needs to be like this. This. Yeah, so it should use the same actually. I want to rethink this. And do it like this instead. This thing needs to be out because it needs to change this. And who's got the oh, it's this one. It's a bit weird that this one has this part. I think probably I want to move this to here. Mm. This is so small if let's do 96 and let's do 48 for the rest. We don't have that much space, so a very small value for this would be best. Okay. Yeah, and so I want this one to be like this as well. Mm. Okay. I feel like it's okay. Sure. Probably make a prefab with this. And have this be let's call this UI window. And shit. I guess that was it. Yeah. Okay, let's try. This is still working. That's not quite right, is it? Let's open both, and I also didn't create the choices, did it? Yeah, because yeah. Oh, no. My bad. Yeah, and this is not set to the proper thing. It needs to be this thing now. Um, What the fuck is truth in here? Okay. What is things? Pretty sure it should be like this, no? No. Wait, no. Okay. Yeah. So, let me then change the code here. Just 24 here. And, yes. Set 0. No, it's this, isn't it? It's the x that we calculate here. I guess if I equals 0, then x plus equals. We need a value for this because float gap. I will say it's 24. Yeah. Gap. And here, gap times 0.5. It doesn't matter, I think. Does it? No, it doesn't. Not quite. I need to read the background, but I guess the opposite actually. Onto 2. And here is times gap because the gap is on both sides. Actually, what the this is what we need. Because I have to take into account the spacing for the first one as well. And that's probably not correct though, because actually it should be correct, I guess. Because the gap for the first one is 0. So yeah, looks okay. So this works. However, I really dislike this image now. Like, it's it's dirty, it's messy. Hmm. Be cutting it like this instead. See what this does. And yeah, maybe even like this. Hmm. Uh, Problem with this is this stuff's gonna get stretched now. The only thing that's preserved is the corners, I believe, so this stuff won't work nicely. Make sure I can check it here. Mm. It's really bad. Mm. Yeah, the problem is I need to keep the stuff that's over here. Yes, this is why I would put it here. But um, what if there's actually a problem with the texture itself? But yeah, if I do this, then yeah, this whole thing, yeah. So I would actually need to have it with the insert down here. Because if I keep it like this, it's weird because it's too long. So I would need to be able to do the same thing, but over here. And I also need to do it like this. I think it would work if it was. properly set. Yeah, I really need to do a version where there's only the corners, basically. So let's do another frame. Here. I'm gonna set it to 1920, 1080. This doesn't matter. What kind of corners do I want? If I use this, doesn't tell me when I'm straight so much, so interesting. So I think I don't know what size to take for the corners or for the borders. This is 2% maybe? 1% maybe even? Maybe something like 20. This is something like 20. Okay, we're gonna do 12 for the transparent border and 24 for the insets. What's this? Is it giving me like weirdest? Is it minus 400? It's counting from the center? Alright, this is 449. Minus 12. 437. $120. Is it counting normally now? Where? Okay, and so we need also to know like, how far we go from there. And I would say we take 48. Maybe. Fucking kidding me. Not count. I don't want to overdo it like in the other one, but so 76, 96. Wait, it's only 12 that I have. No. So if this is 72, then 84. Okay, so now we make a corner that's like this. And then put a guide for the rest. Nope. Okay. So I need a guide that's at the middle. So 1080 is 540. Yeah. I need one. Yep, over here. I'm gonna grab this one. Drop it to here. I hope it got properly, but it's gonna create a new one, isn't it? Yeah. Can I merge them? Group. Flatten. Flatten, no, I don't think that's gonna do what I want. Okay. Okay, I can just press escape. Mm. Wait, I need to do the same thing over here. Forgot about that. So here we took. How much did we take actually? We took this plus 48, I believe. This one is 437. This one is 7. What? Yeah. I didn't place it properly here, did it? Huh? The fuck? Can I just move this thing? Bro. I think I'm on what I think I am. But is this thing needs to move up? I kinda. Mm. Mm. Going to redo it. Oh my god, no. Alright, so let's do it with the pen again. Let's make sure we start at the very middle. And right, not here then. We want to start at the middle over here. here, 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 and down here. Right now we want to exit this, and we want to also change the frame to not have a fill. And I want to change the vector to be to a white stroke. It's a 2. Another fill. It's not. It won't fill because it's not close, probably. So what I want to do here is duplicate this, move it over here, here. Sure. Flip it. Horizontal. There we go. So something like this. Flip vertical. Duplicate it again over here. Flip horizontal. Not sure this is going to give what I want, but if I group them, can I? Actually, the fill. Shit, this isn't working, is it? If I flatten it. Okay, I'm sure it works. I guess that should work. Hopefully. So as an export here, as PNG, yes. Let's rename this window background. What the fuck is this? This is within, right? Is it all white or all transparent here? Not convinced that it's going to be good yet. Let's see. Okay. Really looking how it's supposed to. Alright, so let's do it. So we split it like this, like this. Like this. I think it's gonna give what I want, but yeah. I should remove everything. Damn it. This is not fucking sprite here. Single. What do we want right for this? Pivot center, yes. No, don't generate physics or whatever. Yes. Thing is, I don't want it to just have some kind of weird sci-fi hears. I want to. Yeah. Still 96 everywhere. I guess if I use this instead. Yeah. We will need to make it longer on this side. Mm-hmm. What if I cut it differently? What the f... I don't think it's gonna change anything. Yeah. We should just do something simpler. The other option is to make it bigger, I guess. Like... So yeah, move this thing here. Mm, maybe around here. Guess. Mm. I need to change it on this side as well. So this one is 144. This one needs to be 144 as well. Oh, I feel like this ship is never going to work with the Rhine slice. Can't see shit here. That should be good. Vertical. Excuse me. Mm-hmm. I guess I have to flatten it. It's a bit of a pain that I have to do this. We should just like duplicate them. Flatten. So keep it. Iron these then. I'll use this one. That way we can keep the pathing. So probably gonna wanna change it again. It would be great if I didn't have to trace it again every time. Yeah. Need to update here? Oh, because I moved the thing before. This is more like it, but still maybe not enough. Yeah, it just makes it weird. That's better. That's better. Still not really how I want it. I want it to be a bit longer, definitely. But it's okay. It's not too bad. I think just I should just increase it a bit more and it should be good. Alright, I'm gonna take a quick bathroom break and we'll get back to it. Oh hey, Jitrovisky. Sorry I didn't see your message. Kind of hard focus on the UI here. Let me take a bathroom break. I'll go back to this. Okay, so um yeah, so let's make it longer. And yep, let's get rid of this one. Guess I only need one actually. Yeah, should just keep this one, I guess. I'm gonna change this to be bit further down. Let's put it to 220. Mm, should be the same on both sides. Not sure. It could be longer on the top. Why I can't move it? I could. Maybe before I could. How do I go back to the path? Hmm? Oh, there we go. Okay, so we want to move this thing over here and this one over here. Gap is bigger than before, isn't it? Sure what this 12 is about. 142. Yeah, it's 22 instead of. It should be at 232 actually. It's supposed to be over here. I want it to be a bit smoother. Hmm. No, I don't think so. Maybe just a little, like. Mm. I think this works pretty well. So um so we keep this one, so I'm gonna duplicate it. And I'll flatten this whole thing. Set it to stroke like this. Have this at 70 and full white. Now export this again. Come back to this, make sure this is correct. So roughly, go to 38. Apply it and okay, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. I may want to increase it in the width. But other than that, it's starting to be okay. All right. One last iteration to move this over. So here I took like roughly half of this whole part here. And so we've got 1920, our middle is 960. So 960 divided by 2 is gonna be 480. I could do the same then. And that's what we'll do. Shit, how much was it? Nope, it's not the right one. 960 for 80. For 80 and okay, let's move this here. Oh, yeah. Wait a minute. Oh, I can still edit this actually. Yeah. The thing is, it's actually easier to just duplicate this thing than to edit the other one. So let's do that instead. Right, I feel like this is the shape that we are going for. So, copy and paste and... Wait, what? Oh, yeah. Copy and paste, flip horizontal, move over here. Copy and paste, flip vertical, move down here. Copy and paste, flip horizontal, and move it over here. Shall we duplicate this one? Flatten the whole thing. Set the fill to full white, 70. Export. In the song. Yeah, it should be good. Spray editor, move it this over here, this over here. Apply it and all right, that's looking more or less how I want it. So it's all right. Sit in game. Okay, but I need more gap to top. Basically. You know what? Maybe I should be defining this. Yeah, no, actually no. Um. Do I not parented? Ah, so. I guess we parented to the one inside. Hmm. I feel like it would be easier to not fuck around with this here. Just like have a child. Of this. It's kind of weird, this thing, actually. It's kind of useless, isn't it? It's creating an artificial gap. Well, not really. Oh, yeah, okay. That's okay. So kinda would like something like this, which gives me the actual usable space. Let's do 36. 36. 36. Yep. So I don't want to add this. Confirm. I'm gonna rename it. Um. Yep. And so I'm gonna remove this from here. Copy it. Remove it. Move it into here. Yeah. This thing is reacting to this menu opening, so that should be fine, right? Should not. Oh my god. Let's try. Oh, yeah. No, I do need to say. Um, mm, Okay. So this should still work. Okay, nice. Thing is, now I can get rid of this. And this. Okay. I think maybe it's weird that the modules just take the whole space. So what do we do in Figma? They kind of need to adapt. Because I don't really know like how long this thing is going to be. I don't really have a way to do this with the Unity thing. We have encores min and max. Yeah, but it's something like this, right? I think it's 500. And this one, yeah, 171. This one, 499. I guess we could set them to be 600. We're still not working on the slots UI, but yeah. I think it's important that this UI looks decent. Yeah. Hmm. I think. Um, yeah, it's true. We have all of this stuff here, which is a bit strange. Huh? Hmm. The thing is, that now I would like to do it in a different way. I would like to start them in the center and move them to the left progressively. Mm, I can try do this like this. I don't know, like, why this is the only thing that's moving it. That's why I don't do this. Where do they end up? Should end up all on top of each other in the middle. Okay. Now how do I move them? Because so far this is the only thing that has worked, but it's wrong. Mm, I haven't tried this actually. Mm, so I just set this to. Mm, It doesn't fucking work. POSIX still 0. Why? I should have an offset though. Still, what else we have? Like, and this is what we have to set, right? Do I need to use this? Pretty sure that's inherited from normal transform. Set size with current anchors, no. Set local position. Maybe. Maybe it's because I'm not using the local position. Wait, I'm pretty sure I should be using the anchor position. Problem is if there's one that works and another one that resets it, then I'm not gonna see it. Let's try this one first. Did we try this one? Shit, I don't remember. I'm gonna change it so what's Unity fucking doing? I'm gonna change it so that I can open it. I don't even know where is controlling the fact that you can open it. Should be in here in my opinion. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's in experience somewhere. Where's our experience thing? Everything is lying like crazy for some reason. Okay. Wait, it's not in here. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, this is bad organization on my part. That's in here. I guess it only hides it if it's open, right? Doesn't. Toggle does. Let's escape. It's probably a lot better if I check it here. I'm gonna comment this out so we can just pop it up straight away. And Unity is gone now. God damn it. What's this? Guess this is waiting for it to crash. Alright, it's time to go away. Hopefully didn't lose a shit ton of work because I didn't save the scene for a long time. Something more energetic here. Okay. Looks okay. Probably control is by habit at some point. Very glad for this habit. Okay, so we can open it directly. Yeah, so it still is not working. It's crazy. Like, what the fuck is the API to set this programmatically? Like, I cannot believe how fucking hard this is. Like, yeah, already wrote this. Yeah. Yeah, what do you have to do to set this fucking exposition? Like, fucking insane. Honestly, I can't believe the number of different APIs that could be it, and that none of them fucking work. Like, is fucking crazy, you know? What the fuck is this? What am I doing? Um, doesn't work more. We tried this one. We didn't. Huh? This doesn't seem like it's something specific to a transform. It's probably inherited from the normal transform. So I don't see why this would work better. Unless it's overridden, but oh my fucking god. You want to go to the left of the menu. Mm. Ah. Mm. Actually, you need to make a box to separate it, probably. Mm. Basically, something like yeah, I need two panels. I need one panel to take the left side and one panel to take the right side. Mm. So, this one. Thing is, I want this thing to be a half the size of it, right? So I guess actually I need to set the anchors here to be at 0.5 on X and 0 here. Okay. Okay, so that works. And I can set the other one to be like so, but its minimum is going to be 0.5. Next one. This one, 0.5. So that is correct. What's not correct is this. Okay. And in here we'll add a text. I'll position it to the top over here. Or maybe it's better like this, and we center it in here. Here's gonna be modules. I want these panels to be actually no, then transparent. I want this to use what is this? Something like that, I guess. Where's the color UI text here? Yeah. Yeah, something like this. I want a bit of padding. Get along this way. I guess I need another panel. Because otherwise... Yeah. Set this at 18 from the top. Yeah, maybe more. Set this transparent. Set to 30, and I'll do the same. Is it not pasting in the trailer? So we'll rename this to modules title modules area. This is gonna be upgrades area. This is going to be module choices. And this is going to be upgrades title and upgrades choices. Okay. But of course, now I need to move this. Here. And again, I need to fix this. Okay. It's a bit annoying that it breaks every time I change the structure like this, but at the same time, it's quite easy to fix. This is because I don't have like an event manager. Using these props to make the links instead. Because I couldn't have like a static event manager and make sure in here that this listens to the events instead. Which probably would be better actually. Yeah, I wanted to do it like this because it's modular and all, but yeah. This allows you to modify the behavior of things a bit easier. It's more flexible, but in this case, it's yeah. I'm sure I really need this. Anyways. I'm thinking we can actually go back to the old code for this. The one that was doing this just choose right instead. Mm. Mm. That should be correct. Mm. The first one is going to be stuck to the right. We want this to 0 though. The first one is going to be stuck to the right. The second one, gonna add a whole model width and one gap. Yeah, that should work fine. Meh. The hell? Oh, wait. Wait, no, we're using this for the parent, right? Yeah, the projected transform. Wait, what the fuck? That's strange. Why the fuck is it? Does it look weird like this? Hmm. What's this? Where did this change now? The fuck? And change this, right? Yeah. What is this? Yes. Is what? Ah. Why the fuck did it change their width? Inset and size. Oh shit. I need to pee. I'll think about this on the way. Alright, so I just remembered there is something that is called a grid. Yeah. That would be better. Mm. Mm. I don't know which one I added. Maybe it's the first one. Yeah, it should be this one. The other ones don't have a description, I think. Mm. Why is it so small? Okay, that's why. And we have spacing as well. Oh yeah, that's a lot easier to work with actually. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna do this. I'm gonna copy this. It's gonna lose it now. I think here I can do require type of grid layout hoop, right? Yeah. And so we're gonna I don't think we need to do anything. We can set everything here. I would just have to make sure that this matches this, I guess. We don't need this. So we can just set it as parent of the grid element. And we know it has one, so should be good. We don't even need to calculate anything. Hmm. Yeah. That is much better, I would say. Hmm. Yeah. So I will still get a reference to the grid layout group. Grid layout group. You know. We're gonna get it. I'm gonna set it to yep. I wanna remove the visibility modifiers here because these methods are not real in quotes. I don't know what the fuck Unity does behind the scenes, but they're not overriding stuff, right? Yeah, okay. So that's pretty good, I would say. Now, I definitely would like to have icons for all of this. But I also want to hit the gym today, and it's kind of the last time that I'm gonna go if I'm gonna go. And I have some grocery shopping to do. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna stop here. It's pretty good that we improve this. Of course, what I really want to upgrade is this. which wait. Yeah, this one gets generated anyways, so. But basically, the UI that shows you the ship layout is what we want to improve next. And what's good is now we have set this up so for the upgrades that's gonna be done. So once we are done with the modules, with the ship layout UI, and having some utility modules, then we can jump into the upgrades. I really hope we can do all this week. But yeah, that's still a lot of work. So let's see. Hopefully I will put a bit more time tonight after the gym. Well, not tonight, but in the evening. But yeah, I know it takes me a lot of time to go there, do it, then do grocery shopping, take a shower, eat. So no guarantees that there's gonna be a stream tonight, but there might be. If not, tomorrow we will actually work on the ship layout UI. What we are going to do is, well, improve it like we did for this one. Set up some proper boundaries for it and make it so that the layout that is defined in here so what we're gonna do is find out where our extents here. So that means like creating some kind of box. The hell is happening? So basically trying to calculate some kind of box around this, and it's aspect ratio. And then in the UI, we'll have to define an area that is the one that can be used for to display the ship's layout. And we'll have to find a way to make this work together so that the ship layout only displays inside this box and it respects the aspect ratio of this one. Yes, probably will scale. Yeah, probably will scale the box of the UI to have the same height, or no, a height that respects its maximum height, a height that fits into that box, I guess. Yeah, something like that. And then we'll have to like scale everything so that it matches. And so probably we're gonna use, instead of the large button that we have now, we're gonna use much smaller buttons with a fixed size. And we're gonna use the icons to display whether a slot is taken or display the module that is inside of it. And ideally, we also want to have some kind of, image of this. So it looks a bit better, but yeah, I'll see about that because I don't know so much how I'm gonna be able to do this. One way would be to like just render the ship and yeah. Yeah, render the ship and just like draw the UI on top. Kind of like how it's done here. Mm, not sure. It seems like a lot of work, but yeah. Oh. So, alright, so thank you for watching. Most likely next stream tomorrow or maybe this evening. I hope you have a great day and bye bye.